Flip and Flip 3D. How can we preview open windows? Flip and Flip 3D are two ways we can use to preview open windows. To preview open windows with Area Flip, press and hold the Alt key plus the Tab key to open the flip view of your open windows. While still pressing the Alt key, you can flip through the open windows by pressing the Tab key. Stop on the window you want to open and it will appear on the full screen. For Area Flip 3D view, press and hold the Windows logo key, plus the Tab key for a 3D version of Flip. Press the Tab key to flip through your open windows. Release the Windows key for the window you want.